If you caught our last video, we talked about why it's so important to get a roofer involved before you buy a home. Today, I want to take you behind the scenes a little bit and show you exactly what a good roofer actually looks for during inspection. Some of it's obvious, a lot of it isn't, and missing these things can cost you big time. First thing we're looking at is the overall structure of the roof. Is it sagging anywhere? Are there soft spots when you walk on it? We check the decking underneath, because if that decking is rotted or water damaged, you're not just looking at shingles, you're looking at a full tear-off and rebuild in the worst case scenario. From the attic, we can sometimes spot signs of leaks that haven't shown up inside the home yet. It could be staining of the wood or even wet insulation, all stuff that it's possible a home inspector could easily miss. Then we dig into the surface itself. For shingle roofs, we're checking for things like missing granules, cracked shingles, nail pops. If it's a metal roof, we're looking for loose screws, rust starting around the seams, or panels that have lifted just a little bit, which you can't see unless you're right up there on the roof. Flat roofs are a whole different animal. We're looking for ponding water, blistered membranes, and again, most home inspectors aren't trained to recognize these early failure signs that could be there. Next up, we're checking the flashing and penetrations. This is where probably 75–80% or more of leaks start. We check the chimney flashing, the pipe boots, anywhere the walls meet the roof, even the skylights if they have them. If any of the flashing isn't sealed right or is starting to pull loose, water is going to find its way in, and sometimes sellers try to patch these spots with caulk or tar. Looks fine for a month, but it's going to fail quickly after you move in. Another thing that we check that a lot of buyers don't even think about is ventilation. Is the attic breathing properly? Are there soffit vents? Are the soffit vents actually open? Do they have ridge vent or box vents set up the right way? If the ventilation's wrong, it's not just an energy bill problem. It literally cooks your roof from the inside out. Your shingles could age twice as fast. And there's always the possibility of mold growing up there in the attic without you ever seeing it. And finally, we're verifying the quality of the install itself. Are the shingles nailed properly? Are the materials matching up with what the manufacturer requires? Because here's the deal. If the roof wasn't installed to the spec, the manufacturer can, and most likely will, deny any warranty claims later. And you won't find that out until you need it. We catch that before you buy, so you're not left holding the bag later on. Bottom line, hiring a roofer to inspect the home you're about to buy isn't just smart. It's protecting yourself from thousands of dollars in surprises later. At Camel City Roofing, when we do a pre-purchase inspection, we check everything, not just what looks good from the driveway. If you're buying a home and you want real peace of mind, give us a call. We'll help you move forward with confidence, not just crossed fingers.